Yo guys, welcome back to another One YouTube video, and today we're visiting NTAC Airsoft. This is another site that I've not been to in over at least 10 years. It's one of the first sites I ever went to after playing in the normal public land that I used to do years ago with my brother. We used to come here when it was NSC, and then we moved over to NTAC, which was also known as Dirty Dog, and basically returned back to the site to play a few games. And in this video we're playing a game of pushback, and what I mean by pushback is we have to defend the enemy bases, or basically I should say our bases. The enemies have to then push up from the mountain, because we're at the top. They have to push up the mountain and head to this base, similar to the last Dirty Dog video. When they get up to the base, they have to take over that, we move on to the next one, they have to take over that one, and so on. And basically we just keep defending it as long as we can to then beat the time that they would get on us on the flip side. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've got a good few kills in this one. We've got some CQB videos upcoming. My brother is also now making videos, as you can see with the LMG right there with the ring cam, so he will upgrade his videos. So it's not just going to be me posting anymore. We're going to have two lots of footage, and hopefully a few of the other lads in the team are going to eventually get cameras that we can all shot in compilations or just shot in one video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like and comment. Peace out. Thank you for watching.
Come up the hill and attack that building at the top there. You'll soon see it, the man house. Attack that, then from there you attack the village and you attack the quarry. The defending team have one life, the attacking team have unlimited life. Where your score comes, that's your spawn point. Like that. Right, fans, you're attacking, I'll decide for you. You go back there, will you? I was trying to do it.
Matty, get back.
Get like one of those.
Matty, come on in, Matty.
Right, fans, you're attacking first, you've got unlimited life. Non-fans, you're going to be in that building at top and got one life in each position, so you get shot out John Travolta when you sit still. When you get shot, fall into the village, then fall into the quarry.
Trees out of the tree!
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh yeah, trying to come back to the tree.
Got one, two are coming straight up from the centre. They've noticed a lot of them are coming from this left side up, and I just keep spawn trapping them. Every time they keep coming from there, I'm just absolutely pinging them off. They also coming from the right side up from there, but literally I must have got about 30 kills, if not, give or take, maybe 20 odd, just constantly picking them off while I'm trying to come up the mountain. We held them off for as long as we can. I think it was about 10 minutes of just holding them off here before I had to then die and respawn over the opposite side. So we did pretty well just holding off this side completely. Another out. Another. 3 out, 2 coming up right side.
Enemy UAV overhead. UAV entering the AO.
Watch yourself.
I'm getting a couple of kills on this sniper. Quite hard,
I'm holding them off quite well from where we started near that big tree. Another boy right side. Another.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, boy.
UAV entering the AO. UAV entering the AO.
Oh, the spawn shot the move, man.
UAV entering the AO. Enemy UAV overhead. Care package on the way.
Oh, hit.
Batteries are on our Ethan. Go for it, mate. No problem, not mine.
I'm coming back to the village now. Got a good 30 kills there. Look at that.
Same.
It's a good amount of fucking kills.
Why the fuck you lying?
I got it on camera. Oh my god. 1080p. Hello.
There they are, you see them. No, I might just shoot Connor. Just
Help the fuck out of all tonight.
I was calling Connor to come over, he wouldn't fucking listen. Saving Private Ryan.
Official Big Top 40.
We had a plan. Move out of this town, baby. What's to the
Can you get the wrong radio on?
Don't go for
I tried the car, bring your guitar and
Connor.
That's right, David, mate. David, Connor Maynard, are you alright?
Help us!
How the fuck you done that?
Hold down the orange button, it's emergency.
How the fuck you turn it off?
Oh, it's good.
back to LA, that's where you'll be forgotten.
Matty, sing us a song.
How'd you die, Connor?
Right,
Shot in the right motherfucking head.
Riding along, singing a song, next to a great big pylon. Fucking mad as fuck.
Could you hear us the whole time?
Hey, who you mad as cowie face?
Pull the maddest cowie face.
Yeah, good, yeah.
You're not getting friendly with a pheasant again, are you? I like ferrets. I find a ferret. What? No. Keep it poo.
Can I go for you?
Put more moan into it, Matty. Matty, give us a nice moan. Give us a big moan, Matty. What about an even bigger one? Give us an even bigger one, Matty.
What is it?
Good luck.
Oh, do it female.
Do a female one, Matty. Do feel like a feminine one. Doesn't know what one of them sound like.
Connor!
The fucking manly female, Matty.
Shoot him!
Yeah.
Here. That's it. He's lobbed that at my head.
Yeah, this fucking dude.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Jamie! Got him! Got him, Jamie!
Connor, you should get yourself laid up on that mountain up there, mate.
Yeah, just watch out for the fucking razor while you're Matty, give us the moon before you go!
UAV entering the AO.
Forward! Left side! Come here, son! Nice! Oh!
Hard left, hard left.
Nice.
Enemy
One in the
UAV
centre of that tree,
overhead.
yep. Nice, me and you got nice. He's double down!
Double time!
Come on! Come on!
No!
Hey, sorry mate, we're just bullying these two. We're just bullying these. The guns are so accurate. Did you get it?
No.
Oh, I was going to say.
Headset fell off.
Oh, I was like, how the fuck? Another one out.
Care package on
Has he
the
called
way.
that? No. I've seen that since school. Yeah, he's called it, he's called it.
Left one bar.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Left hand barricade!
UAV entering the AO.
Yeah, they're still there, just. Yeah. Go ahead.
Sitrap, napalm strike inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
Your mum wants it. Your mum wants it. Your mum wants it.
UAV entering the
Oh, he's out, he's out, he's out.
Another brother!
Oh, another one, straight centre. Have you got the one? Right, there's two.
I'm shaking the lamp.
Right, I'm gonna go for red jacket. Got one. Oh, right from the crack. Two down. To the top right, they're coming down.
One on left, one on left.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Got another one right in the fucking head. Right in the head.
You know what time it is now?
It's double time. Connor, don't forget when you get killed that this MTW's up here, or whatever it is. Okay, nice shot. Connor, I've got the gun.
Alright, yeah, no worries.
Just fall down that hill, mate.
No. Oh, the fuck do I get in here?
No, Jamie.
Ethan.
What?
Gun.
That's Connor's problem, he was the one using it.
No, I'm saying put it in there for us. Just moving it for him. Did you actually get some?
Yeah,
Right.
I actually did. It took a while to get used to the sight and
Yeah.
but once you get used to it, fucking
I suppose when you get a better sniper as well, it'll be unreal. Use it every time I bring it, as long as I can fit it.
What you say?
Fuck is that?
Have you got anything you'd like to say, Ethan? Ethan, you got anything you'd like to say? You got anything you'd like to say? Yo! Oh, camera!
We can't even get one of them at another site.
It is, but because of how compact it is.
Yeah. I've knocked one of the fucking. I need to get another screw under there. I fell over early, did a horrible roly poly there. I just tripped, so I think I knocked it out then. It was a bit loose, but I fucking fell ass over it. I suppose you didn't get it on video.
Me, that's fucking.
What?
What was that?
But yeah,
Yeah, look.
sexy gun.
Just a different noise, isn't it?
Over here. Jump down here then. I'll get your dick out. Hello, Matty.
Hello.
Nice shot, mate.
Oh,
See, I don't like shots like this because the helmet will get pinged instantly. So I'm going to go down here. Are you ready yet?
yeah, I got
Bad space then.
fucking get it done.
He's vaping. Playing around here then. Quiet there, yeah. Keep an eye on the mountains, bud.
Zitrap, napalm strike inbound. Enemy UAV overhead.
Bombs in the air for a reason.
Hit! The car! The van! Is this the famous van? Oh,
The mag's not working.
dead.
No, it's just not going now. Oh, look.
What?
The button's like.
That's it done.
Oh, fuck. Oh, well, that's me done with this. It looks like that's something's happened. That screw's further in than that one. There you go.
Put that inside, here you go.
No.
I got my M4 mag. Switch is broke on his mag.
Oh no.
fucking ridiculous.
It's not a good day for you.
I don't know.
Fuck's sake.
I'm gonna put that in your gun because it's getting a bit heavy for me. I can give it over one. It's got 2 8s in that, Lee.
Huh?
It's got 2 8s in it for now.
2-8.
Yeah.
See, it even fires.
You got bullets in your mouth.
What's happening? My switch is broke on the Mac.
Oh no. Can you still, what is it, the winder?
Yeah.
Can you manually do it?
Nah.
Oh fuck.
Busted.
The battery might be dead.
No,
No.
the switch is broke.
Oh.
Saves car. Alright lads, we're going all the way.
Anyone for a little road trip?
A road trip on site.
I might just ideas because this is the last place anyway, isn't it?
What the fuck?
Yeah, I'll
That
put,
is
give,
the strangest fucking thing I was saying.
Mine's broke, so
give him mine.
improvise.
Yeah.
Just look kind of badass for that one.
You look fast. Reminds me of the Bruin.
Cheaper than buying another one of them. You've got 5 minutes.
Reminds me of the Bruin.